Welcome to all. Now I am tell about the most profitable businesses in India with a low investment. In India, several businesses offer high profit potential with a relatively low initial investment. This include online businesses like drop shipping, digital marketing, and online tutoring, as well as local service businesses like cloud kitchens and event planning. Low investment business ideas in India. Drop shipping sell product online without holding inventory, as items are shipped directly from the supplier to the customer according to Shiprocket. Digital marketing help businesses grow online through social media, SEO, and other digital channels, says Sab Paisa. Online tutoring offer online tutoring service to students. Notes Hero Finocorp. Cloud kitchens operate a food businesses without a traditional store front, focusing on delivery and takeout according to Tata Capital. Freelancing offer service like writing, graphics designs, or coding on a project basis. Notes SAP Paisa. Event planning organize events like weddings, parties, or corporate functions, says Loan Tap. Online bakery sell homemade baked goods online, mentioned Ship Rocket. Mobile food stall start a mobile food stall or KIOSK, says Boss Wala. Print on demand design and sell customized product like t-shirts or mugs, says Sap Paisa. Social media management manage social media accounts for business or individuals according to Sap Paisa. Thank you.